living in Las Vegas. We are doing a room review tonight of New York, New York. Super excited. It's something different from our channel, but I know a lot of you have asked for it, so here we go.
We didn't get the nice view. We didn't get the bad view either, but this is our view. So, it's not that bad.
Let me get you down. Anyway, they actually included this cute little packet here. All right, so here it is. See what we got. Some masks, you know they're my favorite. Ooh, and they even give us some hand sanitizer. Anyway, that is included here at New York, New York. I have Colin and Reagan here with me tonight. We're gonna be checking out some fun things. Maybe do the coaster, not sure. Reagan's never rode a roller coaster before, so I figured scare her with her first one, right? All right, so we got a deal where I have an M Life player's card. It's just the basic one. It's like, let me show you. The M Life Pearl, not very fancy. I don't spend a lot of money, you all know that. We got the discount. I think our room rate was $43 with the resort fee and taxes and the deposit. Everything totaled about $141. All right, some basic information about New York, New York that you may want to know. It opened on January 3rd, 1997. It is a dog-friendly casino. They have 84,000 square feet of gaming. So that's Slot World for all you Slot World lovers. They have a huge arcade, which we're gonna check out later tonight. Okay. Let's get to the rest of the video. Alright guys, we are gonna go downstairs to, where are we eating? The American barbecue place.
You didn't get your drink yet, you gotta put it back on, put it back on.
Dinner's here, dinner's here. So, I got chicken wings. Reagan got the chicken parm, that looks so good. And Colin got his favorite, the French dip. As he's inhaling his salad right now.
Look at that though, that is like gleaming. Ooh. It tastes bad. No, I'm kidding.
We're all just waiting on your call. Our food was amazing last night. I love my chicken wings. Reagan loved her. You had chicken parmesan, and then Colin had the French dip and a salad, and a typical teenage boy, devoured it. So we tried to go down to do the roller coaster because Reagan has never been on one, and because it's so windy right now, they've shut it down. That's your elevator dance? That was like an old man stretch.
That's fancy.
Oh.
You can watch YouTube on here.
Good morning, everyone. We are up and at it this morning. It's about 8:45 on a Thursday. We want to stop down at the pool, show you guys the pool. It is not open right now because it's still kind of cold outside. So we're gonna go to the pool. Whoops, ceiling. Go to the pool and then check that out. We are going to check out the fitness center and then, you know, do a little walkthrough of the casino. Not a huge walkthrough like our normal ones, but you'll see a little bit of slot world for you. Here's the room view in the morning time. Those mountains are gorgeous. All right, so let's get to the review part of New York Hotel and Casino. The room was nice, 2 queen beds. We just got their regular 2 queen beds, $45 plus the resort fee. I did have issues sleeping last night. It was a lot of wind, so I don't know if there's something on the side of the building hanging off, but it was ungodly. So it's not really because of the beds. The beds were comfortable. Do you like the beds? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Reagan liked the beds. Colin went home because he had to go to work early this morning, so it was just Reagan and I here. If you're a big TV watcher, which we're not, so it really didn't bother us, was the TV station. There's only like 10 TV stations, so there's not a lot. The water pressure in the shower is okay. It's not intense, but it's not amazing. So we'll try to do at least one a month of room review. So put down in the comments of what one you want us to do next. We are gonna go put our stuff in the car and then go back and check out the swimming pool and fitness center for you all. It is still early morning. Well, it's like 9 in the morning. So there's not many people out playing. Slot World. I know it's your guys' favorite. It's my favorite. Especially when I win. What game would you play if you were here right now? Alright, here's the spa and salon area. Alright, so right now their spa service, all they're doing are facials right now, hair, nails. If you want a massage, she recommended us going to the MGM Grand. I lost Reagan. Alright guys, doors are locked, but here is the pool. Obviously it's too cold to go swimming. And I thought they had 2 pools, but they only have the one. It's kind of crazy that the coaster goes right over the pool. I didn't realize that. You know, it looks like the hot tub is over there in that little area. They've got a couple cabanas over there. So, do you know when your pool area will open?
Monday.
Oh, it opens Monday. Nice. So they've reduced their hours, just so you guys know, 1 to 9 p.m. They have a store. Because they do take your photos at the beginning. Are you getting nervous? A little bit? Yeah. You ready? You better not throw up on me. So here are the prices, you guys. There you go. So we're gonna go put all of our stuff in the car because you cannot take anything on the coaster with you. So we're gonna do that. And then we'll come back to you guys when we're in the car and let you know what we thought of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, Vegas. We love you. Bye.
It smells like a girl's hair when it's blowing, so let's just...
Hi everyone, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, please like. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Tell us what hotel review you would like us to do next. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you everyone.